Welcome back to my channel. This is Mega Project Story. In this video, I will teach you how you are going to transfer your SRT from your vMix to OBS. You transfer your feed from vMix to OBS using SRT. Now, when you mostly use NDI, sometimes when you have network challenge, NDI will be breaking when there's too much traffic on the network. But there's a safer way we can do it. We have OMT, we have NDI, we have SRT. Well, SRT is more safer. SRT and OMT is more safer. But for today, we are talking about SRT from your vMix to OBS. So our OBS is there. Now, for what you want to do, one is that on your vMix, you need to create SRT. How will you create SRT? First, come to external here, open your external, allow it to load. Then what you do is that you are sending your output. You can send any output to SRT, any output here. But you are dealing with actually your production, your output one. You come to your these settings. You come to SRT here. See the SRT. You enable it. You click on enable. You will be on listener. And you can choose any port. 5,000. This is 7,000. And this is your quality as you are sending here is 6 Mbps. You can send 4 MB, 2 Mbps. But I put this one on 6 Mbps. What I wanted to remember, number one is your port, and number one is your port. Let me say number one is your port. That's the really one. Your port and your IP. That's what you really need. Just click OK. Here. Later you click OK. The SRT signal will be here. SRT signal will be here. This one means that there's no connectivity yet. So what we're going to do is check our network IP. We come here, search for IP config. Now say IP config, click OK. Then this is your IP. This will be your IP. This 10.10 is my this is my IP. This is my own IP. This is my own IP. You will see your own IP there. Then what you will do, you come to this you come to your OBS. When you come to OBS, you see your OBS here. You will add media source. That's how the beginning coming. You add your media source. This is why you come to media source here. Media source here. Now I have media source already. You will untick this one. This one will show local file. You untick it. It will remove this one. Then you will now input format. This input. You will copy something here. This is what you will use. Maybe I will paste this one on my comment section that you use it. Now this is where you put your IP. You see the IP here. You see SRT // I will put this IP on the comment section in my description so that you can be able to copy it. You do it like the IP that I copied that time, my system IP, you copy it here. So it's the vMix system IP that you will put here. Then the port, remember that we use 7,000. The port we use that time is 7,000. You put 7,000 here, 1, 2, 3. And then this format now, you can click on this one, use Android. But there's a format you can still use this one. Coming. Now there's a format here. Input format is, I will drop this one on my description also. You see it. The format is MPEGTS. That's the input format. Then after that, you will see no many things to do again. You make sure that there's no space there. Make sure your IP is correct. Put this one on 2 Mbps, 2 MB. Then click OK. Immediately you click OK, you will now send it. You see that it's showing. It's showing now. If I send anything, see the order is there. If I send anything here, it will go. This. The audio is there. The audio will be there. Let me remove this audio. And now immediately you see it's the same thing, and the same audio will be there, and the audio that is in the video will also come there. So that's how simple it is. So you can connect it to multiple. Once your vMix system has already created it, you can send it to multiple devices. You can create the same thing on multiple systems that you want to use for your production. And for sometimes when you are using a vMix to do your production, most of us don't have video mixer. You are mixing from your vMix. So what you do is that when you have different camera input and different source, whatever, and your system graphics is not strong like that, you can do your production here or another system. You can connect your OBS to another system which you use for your streaming. So you can use that other system for your streaming. What you need to do is just to send SRT. You say that it's lagging. It's not the SRT, it's the video. The video that I use is skipping. That's what is happening. The video here, and make sure that the system you are using to connect you, the two systems you are using, must be on the same network. And I would like you to use a LAN. You get to use a LAN. LAN is better for you to make your stream or your connectivity to be working perfectly. You get. Let me put another video. I think that video is when I'm recording it is not working perfectly. I think the network issue like that. Okay, let me use this one. Let me use this one. Let me use this one. I think this one is working perfectly now. See it there. See, yeah, SRT may not be real time like NDI. You know that NDI is real time. NDI is going to be real time, but SRT is not real time like NDI. So sometimes if you use NDI, you say it will be real time, but SRT will not give you that real time access. There'll be a little delay. You see the difference. That's what I'm talking about. You see when it's already going. But for you to make sure it will go like that, there's what you can do. You can reduce the latency. This is how you reduce the latency. I put the latency on 2000. I can reduce it to just like 200. Is okay. Put on 2000. Put on 200. It's okay. And then it's hard to load the hand. So it's going to not take much time like that. Hope you understand. Please, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please click on the subscribe button and like the video so that I can be able to see it. Thank you very much for this time. If you have any question, any video that you want me to help you to make, you can drop it on the comment section and I will see to it. And if you need you're having problem with your vMix or your OBS, you can let me know in the comment section, and you can put your number there so I can be able to reach out to you directly. Thank you very much. God bless you. Have a good day.